My name is James William Nelson Sr., and basically, professionally speaking, I'm the Assistant Director of Career Youth Development, which is a 42-year-old social service agency with a multitude of programs designed to help the most in need people of our community. And I minister to a lot of young people throughout the neighborhoods here in Milwaukee. I'm involved with back-to-school book bags, giveaways. I'm involved with, and this is all on my personal time, helping young men and young ladies, get their ID, their identification, get them involved with employment and things of that nature. Back in 1985, I met attorney Michael Hupy through my former CEO, Janetta Robinson. He was involved with CYD with helping them with various different programs. So that's how I met Mike. Through the years, Mike and his law firm have done an excellent job. Everyone who I referred to Mike come back and told me they were greatly satisfied with the assistance, professional assistance that they were given. And so Mike also gives back to the community too. He's a big supporter of children, education. So we have a couple of what we call back-to-school book bag giveaways. These are rallies in the community where it's set up outside on the streets. And we have guest speakers and we motivate the kids on going back to school. Then at the end, we give them backpacks filled with supplies. So he's really big and very supportive to me personally and the community as a whole for education. I think that's great. I find Mike a very interesting person. Sometimes in the world that we live in, as it relates to business, it could be real callous, quite frankly, real cold. But he has a warm, compassionate heart, and he's always looking to help the most in need of our community. So that, to me, makes him very unique. He befriends the community. There are young men that I worked with through the years. One in particular is an ex-gang member, and I won't mention the name of the gang, but he was a leader of that gang. He got out of the gang. Since then, he's gotten married. He's employed now. He's joined the church, which is morally great for him because he was actually shooting at people and just committing all kinds of crimes. So he does a back-to-school book bag rally because he's gotten out of the neighborhood, he's gotten out of the gangs, but he still remembers where he came from, so he goes back. And Mike said, I want to meet this guy, James. So I brought him in. They hit it off right away, and they formed a partnership where they're working together to make this community a much better place for all of us.